Okay, so I'm here to drag race. There's a GTR over there. Godzilla. Here, I don't really know these things. I've never been drag racing before, but apparently you can only race if you have on pants. And I came here wearing shorts, and I almost put on pants, but I didn't wear any pants. So now I gotta go get pants. Go to the dollar store and buy pajama pants for $10. Let's get popping. This retard in this trailer right here, I mean, it's not a trailer, it's a truck with a thing behind it, and he just whipped out as fast as he could, and he has this thing behind him. Like look at it. He clearly has this thing behind him, and like he went off the road. Like what? But on a more racing note, there is a 5.0 that is clearly built for the track. I mean, it's got drag radials and a big ass front splitter on it. So I mean, that's all GTR. Oh, there's another 5.0, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna get pants too. Like, look, I look like a completely different person. I don't even wear these things at all. Get his license plate. But yeah, tonight we're looking at some pretty good weather. 66 degrees. Haven't checked the humidity yet. I will check that. I'll put it in the comments and everything. For my first track run, I don't want to be like, yeah, I don't know. After I get my 14-second quarter mile time. Look at him. He's like my big brother. Because he looks like me, but he's bigger and much more powerful. And I'll catch up someday, but you know, sometimes never. That's how it is when you're a big brother. So nice. Yep, big brother, 42, 43, yep. You guys got your helmet with this? Yes, sir. This is gonna be exciting. You know, I'm low-key kind of nervous with this right now, honestly, because I don't really know. I never raced before, and I don't want to like miss a shift and mess something up or whatever the hell goes on. But yeah, I have no idea what's about to go down. I mean, I got my traction control off. I'm gonna be shifting myself, of course. I might need to get a little bit of grip on there. It is a little cold outside, so hopefully I can get a good time. That's all I'm gonna do. That sounds nice. Okay, we're gonna hope for the best.
And actual 47, there you go, it gets cheaper every time, so we're gonna get the boat. That is the boat. That fine house of Mustang right there. For second 1572 and 88. Mustang will be coming out over here. Freezers. So the reverse lanes do not work. You can do it. Forward, forward. Ready, set, go. Go.
Okay, so like I just went and I was so freaking nervous. I have time to see what this time is gonna be. Oh god.
Two cars, one no payment. Only at Southern Nissan Orlando. Your go-to for BOGO. We're located at the big corner of
Alright, yeah, Mustang will be coming out right hand side. Give you a C30.
based on 2017 Nissan Altima purchase with 24-month Nissan Sentra lease.
To the 68 reaction time, the Mustang and American Motorsports side of the racetrack. Can you get there first?
Alright, so I'm on a mission to see if I can beat this 13.6. I'm positive I can. Might shift a little bit later on the 1 to 2 than I did before. I think I was about like 7 before. I'll let it go a little bit more into 7, shift, and increase my reaction time. This time I'm going to launch at 2,000 RPM. That was the whole point of, you know, kind of heating up the tires, but I didn't follow suit with that. So I'll try it again this time and see what I can do.
29 at 117, at 1405 at 100. And here comes the VI, Mackenzie's favorite car, going against the Mustang on the right-hand side.
I definitely believe that I slept on the line a little bit there, because I was trying to hold my RPMs to launch, and then it was already counting down. I was like, oh fuck man, I'm panicking. So that one was probably, I still want to say no less or no more than 13.6. That had to be a solid 13.6 on that one. And on this one, I know you guys can't see it, but it is a 13.5. I'm pushing up in the world. I'm going a lot faster and faster. Now, I think if I actually let it sit here and relax a little bit, we're gonna give it about We're gonna give it about 30 minutes of chill time with the hood up. See if we can cool it down and get a better time than 13.5. I'm positive we can, considering I did sleep on the line a little bit. I know I can do better, and that's what I intend to do. I want to do better. I don't want to be behind anybody that's all right, I'm gonna go over there.
All right. Oh yeah, Orlando. Pogo is back for January 2018. Buy one, get one at Southern Nissan Orlando. Now 2 people can drive brand new cars for the new year.
All those nice cars. I see Camaros, CL1, 5.0s, a couple Corvettes, a couple Dodge Challengers, everything. I would absolutely love to race a 2018 Mustang. That thing's looking nice right now. It's a performance pack too. Ooh, oh my God, it's looking sexy. What you think it look like?
It's pretty hot.
It's pretty hot. God damn, so like look at, ooh, it got the, oh my God. Correction on that video, that is actually a base model, not base model, but it's not a performance pack. You can tell because it doesn't have the longer splitter, and the spoiler isn't exactly tall. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My first time being out on the track, and I was really excited about that, honestly. And I was really, really hyped, and I mean, my chest was like pumping really bad. Like I was like, wow, this is like an adrenaline rush. Like, 'cause I don't do much, and whenever I do, it's like, oh my god, this is so cool. And yeah, so 13.5. I'm positive, absolutely positive, that I could have got a 13.4, but on my last run, when I was racing the Audi SUV, I banged off the rev limiter twice before I shipped, and it was just, well, it slowed me down quite a bit. And never bang off the rev limiter because it will slow you down. And just, I feel like I could have got, really could have got that high 13.4. I could have got it. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And if you did, please do me a big favor. It's dog hair all over me. Please do me a big favor. And she's right there, by the way. This house is just... Anyway, like I said, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button if you like the content I do. Please support the channel. And it helps me out greatly. Honestly, the more people see likes on these videos, the more we can grow the Mustang community. I remember every single last one of you who say something positive and negative. And you guys know, you say something negative, I'm open to it, but I'm an asshole when I need to be. And I'll say something, you know, you say something stupid, I'll say something stupid. You know, I play around. I'm a real guy. I'm not going to sit here and be like, yeah, you know, for the channel, I'm going to be a saint. Because I'm not a saint. I'm a normal guy just like you guys. And I'm really, really happy for you guys watching this video. If you want more content like this and you're a newcomer, welcome to the channel. Love you. Would love to have you along the Samstang family. Like I said before, my name isn't even Sam. So it's Simeon. Like S-I-M-E-O-N, Simeon. Simeon Stang doesn't sound good as Sam Stang, right? I don't know. Anyway, smash that the subscribe button. Yeah, smash that if you want to be a part of the family. And I got some more content related to the Reaper out here. Now, I still got the drag lettering. I'm not going to take that off anytime soon. In fact, I'm not going to take it off. It's going to take itself off. Got a couple cosmetic mods to do for the car that are actually coming a lot sooner than you think. Now that may be a little bit away, but that is could be worked on right now. You know, it could be getting painted or something. Who knows? Might be a little bit of a GT500-esque style going on there. But I do want to get my opinion on the ownership part of this. So next video is going to be a little sneak peek, me based off of how this car has treated me so far. How is it as a vehicle, and do I recommend it? And it's got 56,000 miles on it now, so it's going to be a 55,000 mile review. Or I'm going to say 56 because that's just going to break that odd number barrier there. 56,000 mile ownership review, and I've owned this car for about a year. So what do I think of it? Do I recommend it as the first car, second car, whatever you want to say about it? Check into the next video to find out. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.